Chapter 1. The Little Village. Lily was a curious girl who lived in a small village named Greenfield. The village was surrounded by lush green hills, tall trees, and sparkling rivers. The people of Greenfield were kind and hardworking, but most of them lived simple lives, never venturing far from the village. Lily, however, was different. She always wondered what lay beyond the hills and dreamed of exploring the world. Chapter 2. The Discovery. One day, while wandering through the forest near her home, Lily stumbled upon an old, dusty book hidden in a hollow tree. The book was titled, The Secrets of Knowledge. Intrigued, she took it home and began reading. The book was filled with stories of people who had traveled far and wide, learning new things and discovering the wonders of the world. Each story taught a valuable lesson about friendship, honesty, hard work, and the importance of never giving up. Chapter 3. The Decision. Inspired by the book, Lily decided that she wanted to learn more and see the world for herself. She went to her parents and told them about her dream. They were worried at first, but saw the determination in Lily's eyes. After some thought, they agreed to let her go on a journey of learning, but with one condition. She had to promise to write to them every week and share what she learned. Chapter 4. The First Adventure. Lily packed her things and set off on her first adventure. She walked for days, crossing rivers, climbing hills, and sleeping under the stars. Along the way, she met different people, farmers, travelers, and wise old men. Each person she met taught her something new. The farmers taught her the value of patience and hard work. The travelers shared stories of distant lands, and the wise old men gave her advice on how to face challenges. Chapter 5. The City of Learning. After weeks of traveling, Lily reached a large city known as the City of Learning. The city was famous for its schools, libraries, and scholars. Lily was amazed by the tall buildings, busy streets, and the many people from different parts of the world. She enrolled in a school where she studied various subjects: science, mathematics, history, and languages. She spent hours in the library, reading books and learning about different cultures and ideas. Chapter 6. The Challenge. One day, Lily heard about a competition being held in the city. It was a test of knowledge, and the winner would be given a scholarship to study at the most prestigious school in the world. Lily decided to participate. She studied day and night, preparing herself for the competition. She knew it wouldn't be easy, but she was determined to give it her best. Chapter 7. The Competition. The day of the competition arrived. The hall was filled with students from all over the city. The questions were tough, but Lily remained calm and focused. She remembered the lessons she had learned from the people she met on her journey and applied them to the challenges she faced. At the end of the day, the results were announced, and to Lily's surprise and joy, she had won. Chapter 8. The Scholarship. With the scholarship, Lily was able to continue her education at the prestigious school. There, she met students from different countries and learned even more. She studied subjects like astronomy, medicine, and philosophy. She also learned about different languages and cultures, which broadened her understanding of the world. Chapter 9. The Return Home. After years of studying and traveling, Lily decided it was time to return home. She had learned so much and experienced so many wonderful things, but she never forgot her promise to her parents. She wrote to them every week, sharing her adventures and the lessons she learned. Chapter 10. The Teacher. When Lily returned to Greenfield, she found that the village had changed. The people were eager to hear about her journey and the knowledge she had gained. They asked her to share what she had learned, and so Lily became a teacher. She built a small school where she taught the children of Greenfield about the world beyond the hills, about science, history, and the importance of never giving up on their dreams. Chapter 11. The Legacy. Lily's school became famous, and soon children from neighboring villages came to learn from her. The village of Greenfield, once quiet and isolated, became a center of learning and curiosity. Lily's journey had not only changed her life, but also the lives of many others. Chapter 12. The Wisdom of Experience. As Lily grew older, she continued to teach and share her knowledge. She understood that learning was a lifelong journey, and there was always something new to discover. She encouraged her students to be curious, to ask questions, and to seek knowledge wherever they could find it. Chapter 13. The Circle of Learning. Years passed, and Lily's students grew up and went on their own journeys. Some became teachers, others explorers, scientists, or writers. They all remembered the lessons Lily had taught them and carried the spirit of curiosity and learning with them wherever they went. Chapter 14. The New Generation. A new generation of children grew up in Greenfield, each one eager to learn and explore. They all knew the story of Lily, the girl who had followed her curiosity and changed the world. Her legacy lived on, not just in the village of Greenfield, but in the hearts and minds of all who valued knowledge and learning. Chapter 15. The Never-Ending Story. Lily's story is a reminder that learning is a journey that never ends. It's a journey filled with challenges, discoveries, and endless possibilities. For those who are willing to follow their curiosity, like Lily, the world is full of knowledge waiting to be explored. Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.